drink lights from a bottle of red wine, wondering why. Reaching the skies with my mind away from the loud sound of rain just falling from my head. Now I know who I am, climbing this mountain of life with my own two hands, away from great castle built with a sadness, surrounded the past. Now I'm sure I know who I am. Believe me, woohoo! I'm here to talk about it, in front of a sunset, to watch orange skies and prepare orange joys. What? Invite you? That's not how it goes. I guess I know what one may think, but isn't it a fortune when you become